Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. This recipe is all over social media, an incredible recipe, and you can't believe it received Michelin Stars. And believe it or not, you can make this at home. It's called soy chicken. The taste, the texture, the tenderness is incredible. You're going to want to make this, so let me walk you through it. Okay guys, I'm going to kick things off here by adding 6 cups of water to a fairly decent sized pot. Half a cup of dark soy sauce. Now when we say dark and light, because I'm going to add half a cup of light, we're really not referring to color but texture. The dark is a lot thicker and often referred to as Chinese soy sauce. You can pick it up in just about any grocery store. 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now you can use white too. I just prefer the brown because it's got, that molasses taste to it. And 4 chopped green onions. I just love the smell of this. It hasn't even started to cook yet. 2 thumb-sized ginger, just kind of chopped roughly. 3 cloves of garlic that I've just kind of pressed up. And this is totally optional, but a spice I love is star anise, and rightfully named. So I'm just going to add these in. And of course, one of my all-time favorites, and you know that if you watched any of my videos, some ground black pepper. So we're going to go ahead and give this a stir up just so everything is nicely combined. The smell of this is just incredible. Now the star of the show, I'm going to add in 4 chicken thighs with the skin on. Now what we're going to do is cover this up, slip it on the stove and bring it to a boil. After a boil, I'm going to reduce the heat to medium and let it simmer for about 30 minutes or until the chicken is cooked. Oh my goodness guys, the aroma of this dish is just incredible. After about 30 minutes, our chicken is done. And just look how beautiful this looks. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. Now what I've done here is remove the chicken from the broth, and you want to reserve the broth because we're going to use this. Alright, I'm going to kill the heat and plate this up. Okay, now I've sliced the chicken up. I'm going to serve it with some hot steaming rice. It's entirely up to you, but I like it with some blanched bok choy on the side. Pour some of our incredible sauce over the rice. And the chicken. You know what guys, it smells so good. Now you've got another option here. You can serve this up with some blanched egg noodles, which are equally as delicious. So it's entirely up to you. And there you have it guys, our scrumptious delicious soy chicken. Okay, so let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is just incredible. The spices, and you'd think with the amount of soy sauce we added, it would be salty, but it's not. I said, you can omit the star anise, it's optional, but it adds such a great flavor. All of this comes together so nicely. You gotta make this. So for this recipe and many more Asian recipes in general, head on over to cookandshare.com. Great blog, great food. You're gonna love it. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing. See you next time.